All right, this is going to be a super fast fire update for the Leap V2 headrest. We are days away from getting them shipped out from our overseas factory straight here to the United States of America. And from there, it's going to be rapid fire. Boom, 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 boom. You're going to be getting tracking numbers. And once you get those tracking numbers, it's just like going to be literally how fast can FedEx get it to you from Ohio. So the closer you are to us, the faster you're going to be getting it, obviously. As you can see in the images here, they're packaging them up with your special gift, the mouse pad like we promised you. And we are just so unbelievably grateful and just filled with nothing but gratitude for you guys making this pre-order launch so successful. And we can't wait till we get it in your hands and then have you guys finally revolutionize the Steelcase Leap world as it should. And it's just incredible. I could say nothing else. All of our other headrests actually have been booming lately. We've had record numbers of sales for our Embody and Mira 2 headrests also. So guys, we really appreciate everything that you've done to help the small company grow. And we can't wait till we take it to new heights with you guys.